It is well known that in the restaurant business, increasing customer loyalty is probably the single most important marketing goal. That's because those repeat customers typically account for a large portion of your revenue. They already like your product, and they are your best word-of-mouth advertisers. But cultivating those relationships and creating successful loyalty programs has never been very easy. The iZig mobile media platform has made it easy to gather, easy to manage, and easy to communicate with your best customers. In less than 5 minutes, I'm going to be able to show you the power of the iZig platform. Restaurants are already finding that they can utilize mobile media communications to advertise their daily specials, offer free drink specials, provide mobile coupons, send exclusive offers for top customers or VIPs, create contests or a weekly giveaway such as a raffle, have a special code that allows customers to make reservations, receive orders for delivery, or communicate directly with their staff. So let's take a look at how iZig can help you accomplish that. The system allows for organizing by organization, by division, and by group. The groups are where the records are kept. Now, I've organized the customer groups into 5 groups: dinner customers, football fans, happy hour, lunch customers, and VIP. I chose these as an example. You can use whichever are appropriate for your situation. This allows you to focus on your marketing efforts. Now, before you do any marketing, you must build your list. iZig provides several options for populating your database. You can enter records manually. You can upload a CSV file or use opt-in with or without incentives. There are many ways to get customers into your opt-in list. I'll show you some. We're going to go to keywords and then dinner customers, edit, and right here is where you'd have your auto response. This is a coupon when the customer texts in to your keyword. And in this case, I've just used 71596, which is the default keyword. You can choose a keyword specific for your business name. But I chose not to. I didn't want to use one up. Matter of fact, if you have your cell phone handy, you can text 71596 to 90210. This is the message. This is where you control the message, and this is what they would see in this case, a coupon good for a free drink the next time they came in. Now notice that we talked about the texting to 90210. This is the most recognizable 5 digits in the world, make it very easy for your customers to remember. So let's take a look at building once we've had your dinner customer list built. We're going to go back to the message center and go to the restaurant demo and the group dinner customers. Now that you've built the list, you're ready to start pushing out messages. So let's say you want to send out tonight's dinner special. So just go to messages, choose the group to which you want to send it. Here you can choose templates that you've already built. I've already built some out here, so we'll go to dinner customers and we'll choose the dinner special template, which I've already built. So now I can just enter the template, enter what the special is going to be tonight, hit send message. Everyone in my dinner customer database will receive this text. But let's say you're doing inventory in the morning and you decide on what's going to be the day special, but it's a little too early to send out this message, and you're certainly concerned about as the day gets busy forgetting to do this. You go to schedule message, and right in here you can set up a specific time to push this message out. Maybe for dinner customers at 4 o'clock, for lunch customers maybe 11 o'clock. If you want to repeat the reminder, click this, and it gives you an option to set an additional time, a second time for it to go out. Okay, so now over here in our divisions, you may have noticed that there was a couple other divisions down here, one of which is ads. I've put 2 groups in here, inserts and newspaper. You can use this by attaching a keyword to your advertising to be able to actually measure what kind of response you're getting from your advertising. One other area here is staff. And I've built bartenders, cooks, and servers. Have you ever had a situation where you have a problem covering a shift, or you have someone not show for a shift? But just when you're ready to get busy for the lunch rush or the dinner rush, you have to stop what you're doing, go to the office, and start calling staff to see who can cover it. Not now. Now it's not an issue. We go to staff, go over here to templates, scroll down to our staff section, choose the cover shift template we've previously built. All you need to do is enter which shift you need covered, choose which group this is for, and hit message. Well, we'll have to uncheck schedule message, send message, and there it goes. A text requesting a shift cover to all of your servers in this circumstance. How about that for a time saver? Now, we've just scratched the surface on this powerful tool. I suggest that you call the person that directed you to see this video to learn more how you can implement this powerful program for your establishment.